Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send large files using Google Drive. So first step you need to do is to open Chrome browser, and here you need to search for the Gmail, and you need to open Gmail first. So once Gmail is open, you simply need to click on compose, and let me compose here. So once it is open, you simply need to select the person that whom you want to send, and once you select it, you need to add the subject and the detail, and then you need to here to click on insert file using drive. And so now I'm going to upload a file. So go on to the videos, so I'm going to select this video for example, and here you can see that the file size is more than 25 MB. The selected attachment will be shared via drive link. So okay, then you need to click on upload. It will take few seconds to upload. So once it is uploaded, then I need to click on send, and this video will be shared as a link of Google Drive. So this is the process how you can send large files using Google Drive. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.